Exercise 32. In the xy plane, the graph of the quadratic function contains the points m0 and then 0. So, what do we notice about these points? They both are on the x-axis. So this means that practically, hence, m and n are the roots of this quadratic. We know that the quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c can be written in the factorized form of a times x minus x1 times x minus x2, where x1 and x2 are its roots. Now that the roots here as m and n, which could be x1 and x2, the factorized form would have been x minus x1, which in this case is x minus m, multiplied by x minus x2, which in this case would be x minus n. Therefore, the right answer for this question would have been B.